this is Gabby Tech, and today I'll present you one very beautiful phone. This is iPhone SE 2020 edition. The most clever decision of Apple, if you ask me. Take the design from 2016 and 2017 and put the hardware from 2020 2019, and you will have the most amazing phone for the best price that Apple can offer you. So let's take a look at this amazing phone with the its beautiful red color, because it has special red design, you know about that, and all of the Apple lovers, you will love that. Let's start. If I have 50 likes on this video, because if you liked my video 50 times, guys, I'll do a special vlog or a movie with this iPhone, because you know the capabilities of it is 4K up to 60 frames. So this is a little bit sneak peek into the phone before we open it. Be sure to like and subscribe. We have our books in the box. Product red, iPhone 2020 is product red. Then we have our SIM ejecting tool and our Apple stickers, of course. You always gotta have them, and all of this in the pocket. That is typical for the iPhones and for every phone normally. Then we see the phone itself. There is a special foil that we need to remove. It's turned on exactly right now. It's red. It's very beautiful, as you see. Very amazing iPhone, classic design. We recognize this design from the phones iPhone 6, iPhone 7 and iPhone 8, with the difference that the back is glass like iPhone 8. There is also wireless charging option. The phone also has all of the hardware that is from iPhone 11 Pro Max, which makes it more than amazing. In the box we have our pair of earplugs with lightning, and because you know that iPhones after 7 don't have the audio jack. And we have the 5-watt charger. The phone has an option also for fast charge, but of course the charger is normal. It's only 5 watt. And here is our cable. Basically that's what in the set. Now we will turn on the phone. It's already turned on actually. We will look at the interface. The reason that people go to this phone is, for example, they were before on Android and they want to try how it's Apple. The software is amazing. We all knew that iOS is amazing. This phone is with iOS 13, that of course wants to update to iOS 13.4. Now we will turn it on. The screen is 4.7 inch. And we have haptic touch. Apple removed their special 3D touch option with haptic touch here on this button. We see the screen has these ends and it's not big enough like today's flagship phones, but it's still okay. We love Apple because of the software, as I said. The iPhone was released in April 15, 2020. As I said to you, the corpus is glass front and glass back with aluminum frame. The frame is too big, somehow it feels too big for today's phones, but it's still, this is one of the lightest phones right now. It's only 148 grams compared to the other flagship who are above 200. The price also is amazing. It's around 480 euro. It has Bluetooth 5.0. As we see, the display has True Tone display technique. It's iPhone automatically adapts to ambient lighting conditions to make colors appear consistent in different environments, as it's written here. You can see it without and with True Tone display as you choose. Then you can choose the appearance, light or dark theme. I'll choose light one. We see the beautiful interface of the iPhone. The screen is IPS panel, as I said. It's classic. Basically, this is classic from Apple. It's the ghost of iPhone 6 with the hardware of iPhone 11 Pro Max. It's a little bit different. It feels lighter than iPhone 8 and iPhone 6. It also has IP67 certificate of dustproof and waterproof. In water, you can go up to 1 meter. 625 nits brightness and 326 ppi resolution on the display. Now I presume that we should actually download some games and check how the phone is when you game. And we will try the camera, of course. I said about the chip that is Bionic A13. If you remember, in iPhone 8 is Bionic A11. Now let's try it. Go and download some games. It's so fast without any lag. That's why I really love iPhone. About the cameras, while we download the game, I want to tell you. The front camera is 7 megapixel, which sounds a little bit not enough compared to the other phones like, you know, Redmi, Xiaomi that have 48. But still, it has very amazing abilities like portrait to make the background blurry. The back camera is 12 megapixel with 6 lenses and f1.8 optic stabilization. It's the characteristics of iPhone 11 Pro, but you have older sensor in this type of iPhone. It's 1.22 micrometers each pixel, and in the new iPhones is 1.4 micrometers. We're still downloading the game. Of course, the difference you can notice mainly when you do night photos. The videos coming very beautiful and lively because this iPhone can do 4K up to 60 frames. You know, iPhone 8 can't do that, just saying. So basically you can film 1080p 30 frames, 1080p 60 frames, 1080p 120 frames, 1080p 240 frames, and 4K 30 or 60 frames. The selfies are also beautiful, as I said, because we have the portrait mode, which makes you which gives you the best bokeh effect. Now we will play PUBG Mobile and Asphalt 6 to check the performance of the phone. We know that the hardware is amazing already, but we need to see it into the game. Very good on Asphalt 9. Now let's try PUBG Mobile. Gotta close this one. Your favorite game, PUBG Mobile? I'm used to iPhone. I always love them. I use Apple since 5-6 years, and I can say that since I have that phone, I never wanted to change. I always wanted Apple because I never experienced luck. I'm with iPhone 8 now for the 3rd year, and I'm extremely happy with it. There is nothing I can complain about. Effective phone. Okay, the battery is only 1650 milliampere hours. Now we're in the match mode. The game is smooth. I noticed something, that Fortnite is not available in my country. That made me a little bit concerned because I really love Fortnite and I wanted to show you Fortnite. The colors are very lively. Everything looks perfectly fine. You know, I had a friend before, we were playing together Fortnite, and he's with Samsung Galaxy S8 and me with my iPhone 8. I was always beating him up because of the performance of the iPhone. And he was saying, oh my god, I also want iPhone because the performance is so perfect. This is the strength of iPhone, the performance. The Hexagon processor, the Bionic A13 chipset, and special Apple graphics, of course. Opa, somebody already wants to kill me. There's not any weapon whatsoever. Okay, we have something now. Yay! Kill. I think you pretty much saw that the game is going smooth. I was never expecting anything else from Apple anyway. This phone is amazing for its price. I expect a lot of students and children to buy it because it's an alternative option for the more expensive iPhones, because it has very strong hardware and designed from 2016-2017, which is still okay. I'm very happy with this phone, extremely much. There's nothing I can correct in it. Okay. The colors are lively and beautiful. You can check here the screen when you open YouTube. The speaker is extremely good. This is the best alternative of the more expensive iPhones, if you ask me. I always loved Apple. Don't take me wrong, this video is not sponsored, I just really like them. Look at the beauty of the screen. It's really amazing. I will enjoy this phone, and this beautiful red color will always put you in the spotlight. Look, it even fits my blouse. iPhone SE 2020, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much for watching this review. Be sure to like and subscribe to my channel and follow me on all social media.